welcome back to another video. So I've had a really exciting package turn up. So this is a brand that I have never ever tried before. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what's in it. Lots of paper. So this shows their rubber bases. Oh, by the way guys, look at the sticker on the box. Kiki London nailed me. So obviously this is from Kiki London. So excited for this. So yeah, we've got nude rubber base. A bit high up there, aren't you? So they've got all those rubber bases, usage guides, and oh, they've got a base top especially for their rubber bases as well, by the looks of it. Cool. So this is the website. I'll leave all details in my description box, any discount codes that I've got. So they've got builder gels. Look at all them builder gels, cruelty free and vegan. That's all the social medias. Cool. Lots of nice nude colours. Again, another user guide. Brilliant. Look at this, really detailed. I like these. Foil gel and nail foils. Wow, so they've got everything. Cool. Another user guide for all that. Brilliant. I like this. Kiki London crystals. Wow. Ooh, I like these. Pink sapphire. They look nice. Cool. Wow. Brilliant. So that's what the crystals look like. Wow. So then we've got professional nail art tools, brushes, silicone tools. Brilliant. They've got a little nail brush case. Cool. Right, looks like they've got all sorts there, doesn't it? So let me show you what I saw when I opened the box. I had no clue what they were sending me, by the way. So this is what I saw when I opened the box. Got some paper nail foams, which makes me think there's a builder gel. Look guys. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to stick a picture up on the screen of what I got. So excited for this. So this is a brand new release. So excited. Right, quickly I'll show you what I got. So they've sent me a builder gel. So this is Sweet Rose. Looks like a really nice colour as well. Wow, look at that. Feels nice and thick. So this is a 15ml bottle. Cool. Just going to swatch all these today, guys, and I'll do something with them during the week. Right, so it's got all the directions on the bottle. 10 steps, all on the bottle. That's cool. Ingredients. Brilliant. I like it. Right, and then they've sent me their standard no wipe top coat and base coat. These are 7.3ml. So the base coat. Quite a thin one. It is hot today though, so it's hard to tell what it would be like in normal temperatures. Top coat's thicker than the base. I like it. So this is, I think it's called their Exotic Summer Collection. And it looks beautiful. So what have we got? Look at these bottles. So they're glass bottles. I like the feel of these. They've got a really smooth matte finish to them. So we've got Exotic Mango. I'm not going to open them because I'm going to swatch them in a minute. Again, it's got all the directions on there. Wow. Right, Exotic Mango. Let's just get through these. Parrot Green. I love they've all got different labels. Perry Nice. That does look Perry Nice. Watermelon Sugar. Pistachio. Just Peachy. Pink Me Up. Paradise Red. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Right guys, let me get some swatch sticks out and we will have a nosy at them. So I'm not going to do them in any particular order. I'm just going to probably start with the lightest actually. Start with the yellows. So this is Exotic Mango. I love trying brands I've never tried before. Oh, that's a bright sunflower yellow, isn't it? So let's just get through these and see what they're saying. Oh wow. Yeah, these are very opaque. I've put a bit too much on there. I don't think I'm going to need thick coats. Oh, that's a beautiful yellow. Beautiful yellow. I like it. So I'm going to stick these in the lamp. Does it say? Yeah, LED 30 seconds, UV 1 to 2 minutes. So yeah, standard curing times. So I'll do one or two more with you, and then I'll just speed through the rest. Parrot green. I can't wait to do something with these. These are beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. These are like acrylic paints. They are that kind of gel. Yeah, they're more like a paint than a gel. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. These are going to be so enjoyable to use. They really are. Right. Pistachio. Right, I'll stick some music on now, guys, while I get through them. And then we will swatch the builder gel as well. I forgot about that. Right, that is them all swatched, guys. So I'm just going to use the no wipe top coat and see what that's like. One coat, they really don't need a second coat. These are an absolute dream to use. They really are. They're, like I said, they're like paints rather than a gel. They are really, really nice. I'm so impressed with them. The colours, the way they paint on. So nice. That's a nice consistency top coat. It's a little thick, but not too thick. Right, I'm going to top coat all of these, and then we'll have a look at them. Right, so that is them all swatched. How nice are they? Oh my gosh, they are amazing. I love this. Do you know what? I love these two colours together. I love them two colours. Aren't they gorgeous? They would look beautiful in an ombre, wouldn't they? Like this, this one on the end is Paradise Red. I wouldn't actually say it's a red. It's like a deep, it looks red on camera, but it's like a deep, deep kind of cherry. It is beautiful. Every single one of them is beautiful. They paint on so nice. Like, look at them for one coat. One coat, that is crazy. Yeah, I've never ever tried Kiki London, and I love them. I love the packaging, the labels, everything about them has just got that kind of premium, good quality feel to them, if you know what I mean. It really has. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. Right, so I'm just going to give this builder gel a quick swatch. I want to see what colour this is. Love my builder gels. So we're definitely going to do something with this. Okay, so that's that cured. Beautiful colour. It's cured beautifully. I've top coated the back of it just because it's dries with a tacky layer, obviously, but look how smooth that is. There's no bubbles, no nothing. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful builder in a bottle. Do you know, guys, I'm so impressed with everything about all of it. Just the overall quality, everything. I cannot fault nothing about it. Actually, I am going to fault one thing. The labels on these are not straight. Ooh, I hate that. But I'll peel them off and make them straight. But yeah, I'll let them off with that because of how impressed I am with all of it. If you've not yet tried Kiki London, yeah, I'd definitely recommend for sure. The quality is definitely up there with the best. It definitely is. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Links, discount codes, if I've got any, will be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.